What's up everybody, it's Johnny B Pokemon, and in today's video, finally gonna get around to opening up an Elite Trainer box of Paradox Rift. I think this is the first product I've opened of this set. I'm a little bit behind. I'm also gonna be opening up this mystery box and this tin I got on clearance. Well, let's see what we get. Before I open this up, just a reminder, if you'd like to help support this channel, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get into it. Here's the promo from the tin. Go ahead and open up this promo card from the Elite Trainer box. Screamtail. Very cool. I like that they went with the alternate art aesthetic for the Elite Trainer boxes. Very cool. Here's the code card for the tin. And let's go ahead and start with those packs. Obsidian Flames. That was a tough pack. Code. Energy. Phantom. Blossom. Inkay. And Gita. Next pack, another Obsidian Flames. Code. Electric. Dratini. Swablu. Patrol Cap. Seismitoad, and a Scizor, Hollow. Next pack, Silver Tempest. Code. Steel. Baltoy, Murkrow, Sandile, and a non-holo rare. Next pack, Lost Origin. Code. Water. Licky, Gligar, Sudowoodo, Snover, and let's go, Giratina V. Very cool. Here's the code card for the Elite Trainer box. Go ahead and get into those packs. Paradox Rift. Code. Minun. Toad Scroll. And a hollow. Code. Porygon. Magby. Tatsuguri. And Porygon. And a Groudon. Code. Miltank. Pulsel. Flamingo. And Zacian. Hollow. Next pack. Code. Oricorio. Pansear. Weevil. Iron Jugulus. Hollow. Code. Water. Toad's cool. Spinda. Snorlax doll. Mela. Little. Oh, look at that. An EX card. Lissapod EX. Cool. Next pack. Fighting. Nickit. Flipbug. Garbodor. Animos. Oh, nice. Crustle. And a hollow. Very cool. Code. Elekid. Onyx. Pulsel. And a Palkia. Hollow. Larry. The Blade. Wait. Okay. Cool. Got them both. And a holo. Next pack. Fire. Horsey. Screamtail. Oh yeah, that one's got the gradient too for the ancient. And there's the Iron Bundle. Trubbish. Wiglet. And an Iron Moth. Cool, it's got it on the hollow one. Well, that's all the packs for the Elite Trainer box in the tin. Now the mystery box. I believe this is the one I got from Walmart. They do have new ones out. This one's a little older. Bye. So here, what do we got? Oh, here's a code card. Right. Asuian Samurott V tin. Divulgent Powers tin. I think I opened one of these on my channel once. First pack. Lost Origin. Code. Stunfisk. Flipbug. Inkay. Roselia. Bolo. And a non-holo rare. Let's see what the next one is. Fusion Strike. Code. Exactadrill. Bunnery. Toxel. Quillfish. And non-holo rare. Let's see what the last pack is. Oh, is it? Yep. Yeah, it's the last pack. It's a Silver Tempest. So no chase back in this box. Quadstone, Snowrun, Pharaoh Seed, Esper, Reverse Hollow, and a non-holo rare. Oh wait. Wait a sec. Does this have, it said 2 rares in it? What's going on here? Does this have extra card? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? What? Alright, either that was a resealed pack and they figured out how to count, or the Pokemon company just added an extra card. Cool. Error pack. I just wish it was something better than a non-holo rare. I mean, if you're gonna give me an error, give me an extra holo. Nothing. Alright, well, that's all I have for this video. Just a reminder, if you'd like to help support this channel, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Later.